Hi folks, I wanted to make this little video for you to show you one important little trick in InQuizitive to help you to earn points more quickly and to help you lose points less quickly. Okay, so I am on the first page of the first InQuizitive assignment. Your assignment should look like this. And so the important thing that I wanted to show you about is right here, this question confidence box. This is the key to this assignment. So what you're looking for here is how well you think you know the answer to this question. If this is something you really don't know the answer to, then you should lower your question confidence. And in that way, you will get less points if you answer it correctly, but you will also lose less points if you do it wrong. And you can actually bring it down even more. I have no idea. So you can gain 20 points, but you can also only lose 20 points if you get it wrong. If you think you really know it for sure, you can gain 100 points with this one question. All right. Or, you can move it around. Pretty sure I think I know it. And like that. And so the idea is you can earn points, a lot of points for questions that you think you know the answer to pretty confidently. But if you don't know one, you can lower it if you don't know the answer. Okay, so I want to show you one more thing. Okay, bring your attention right here to this little green box. I'm not 100% sure whether this shows up on everybody's screen. I know it shows up. I think it does, but if it doesn't show up on your screen, I'll tell you what to do in a minute. So if it shows up on your screen, you can click it and it will open to the page where the answer to your question is. So for this reason, you can get pretty confident about an answer by looking it up on this page. It gives you the answers, in other words. And then you can close it and begin answering. If you don't see this little green box here, it still gives you the page number in your textbook. And so you can just look it up in your textbook that you have at home. Okay, and then so I've put it with a low question confidence. The question is, you're a new sociologist, have been asked to do some research on the following topics. Identify the topics that would be possible and not possible to study as a sociologist. So I'm going to say the sociology of agriculture. Okay, the sociologist of aviation hobbyists, because these are about people. I am not going to say the sociology of bees, but actually I can't go down on my screen or it won't show in the video I'm making. So I'm only going to do the ones that I can do. So let's say I do the sociology of early hominids. Now, I knew that one would be incorrect. And so you can just say, try again. Okay. And because I have the question confidence so low, I'm not really losing that many points. Okay. So, I'm not going to be able to complete this part of the assignment because it won't all show up on the screen I'm recording right now. But my main point in making this video was to show you this question confidence thing. So be sure to lower it when you don't know so you're not losing a lot of points, and raise it when you have more confidence. If you work it in this way, the assignment really should only take you about, I'd say not more than 45 minutes, but I have seen some people, the assignment has taken more than twice that time, and I have a feeling that's because you're not using these tools that I have shown you in this video. Don't hesitate to email me if you have questions about this, okay? All right, thanks for watching.